Alex, say hi.
No, it's really bad.
No, it's not.
Yeah, come on, go. Where's Anna?
Where's Anna?
I might be famous one day.
You might be. This is the stoner room. Pass that shit. Here you go. I really should not have a video. Take a video of something else, man.
Hey.
Take a video of something
Okay.
else. I did you the favor.
Did you take it away?
Yeah.
I put on the light at least. Okay.
Oh shit. This is dangerous.
Yeah, that's gonna burn your finger, Rosanna. Did that like the weed on fire? That's a back from me hot box one time.
Give me another letter, didn't hit. I think I lit the weed on fire. Damn it! Why does it burn? How do I do it without the fire?
Shit, bro.
Well, how do I do it?